Hello parents, want to keep your kids entertained while boosting their brain power? You are in the right place. Today I'm sharing 6 super fun DIY activities using everyday items like cardboard, pom-poms and more. These games are not just fun, they build skills like focus, concentration and problem solving skills. So grab your material and let's dive into the world of creativity. For this activity, you will need a piece of cardboard, flexible straws, bottle caps and a pom-pom and a few tools like a cutter, glue to set it up. So first take the cardboard and make small holes in it. These will be the spots where you'll insert the straws. I have used flexible straws here because they are easy to adjust and move around. Next, fix the bottle caps on the straws, one cap on each straw. Make sure they are secure but can still rotate slightly. This will allow the kids to move the caps up and down the straws. So once this is done, let's start playing the game. Now this is the fun part. You need to place the pom-pom on the top cap and ask your child to move it from first cap, which is positioned higher, all the way down to the last cap at the bottom. Kids can adjust the angle of the straws and even experiment with how to guide the pom-pom through. It's like their very own obstacle course. This activity is fantastic because it's not just about fun, it's brain boosting exercise too. This encourages problem solving as kids figure out how to adjust the straws of the pom-pom to move smoothly. Plus it enhances their fine motor skills. To make it more exciting, you can ask kids to time themselves and complete to see who can complete the course faster, or you can add more bottle caps for an extra challenge. Let their imagination run. So try this at home and watch your little ones get super engaged in this DIY adventure. So whenever your kids are feeling bored, this is just one time making. Let them keep practicing and this will definitely improve their focus and concentration. Before moving to the next activity, if you're enjoying this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So let's move on and let's make a maze using just a few simple materials. This activity is perfect for keeping your little ones entertained while developing their problem solving and fine motor skills. So I have used a box or a shallow cardboard tray, straws, glue, a pom-pom. First take your box or tray and decide to design for your maze. You can draw it lightly with a pencil. If you want to plan it out, then cut the straws into various lengths to create the maze walls. Use glue to stick the straw pieces onto the box following your design. Make sure to leave enough space for the pom-pom to move through the maze. Once the glue has dried, it's time to play. Place the pom-pom at the starting point of the maze and ask your child to guide it through to the finish. They can tilt the box, blow on the pom-poms, or even use their fingers to nudge it along, whatever they prefer. The goal is to complete the maze without letting the pom-pom get stuck. So this maze activity is more than just fun, it's a fantastic brain workout. It enhances your child's spatial awareness, hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills. Plus designing and navigating the maze boost their creativity and critical thinking. It's a win-win. To make it more exciting, you can create different maze design with varying difficult levels. Add challenges like tiny dead ends or trimmed races to keep things interesting. Let your child's imagination take the lead. So next we've got a super exciting color arranging game that will challenge your little ones' sorting skills while helping them work on their focus and color recognition. So for this activity, you will need a cardboard piece, 5 colored printed balls, a bunch of bottle caps and a little bit of tape or glue to secure everything in place. Next, you will have to divide the cardboard into 5 horizontal rows. Each row will represent one color and this will be where your kids will sort the bottle caps. You can either draw lines or you can just use paper strips as shown. Place one colored ball at top of each row to serve as a visual cue for the kids. This helps them easily identify where each colored cap should go. The red ball will guide the red caps, the blue ball will guide the blue caps and so on. So here's the fun part. The game starts when you say go and the kids will begin placing the caps in the correct rows, matching the caps to the colored balls. If a row has more than 5 caps, they will need to adjust, which keeps them engaging and challenging. This activity is fantastic for color recognition. Sorting the bottle caps by color helps kids practice, identify and match colors, which is a key developmental stage at this age. Secondly, it works on the organizational skills and planning. Kids have to think about how they are going to distribute the caps in the rows without exceeding the limit of 5 per row. It also improves fine motor skills. Picking up and placing the bottle caps requires precision and control, which helps to strengthen the muscles in their hands and fingers. It also enhances concentration. In order to sort the caps correctly and follow the no more than 5 caps per row rule, kids will need to stay focused and organized throughout the game. And let's not forget following rules. This is an excellent way for kids to practice listening and adhering to instructions while playing. They will also learn the value of taking turns and being patient. To make the activity even more engaging, you can add a little competition by timing how fast they can sort the caps, or you can create a friendly team challenge where kids work together to complete the game in a certain amount of time. Not only does this makes it more exciting, but it also teaches teamwork and collaboration. Also, do try this at your home and let me know in the comments below if your kids have enjoyed this. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more brain boosting ideas. So, the next activity is a perfect DIY activity to boost your child's pattern recognition, hand-eye coordination, and fine motor skills. So I have used a piece of cardboard, pre-cut shapes. You can use any pre-cut shapes like simple square, triangles or rectangle, a bead chain, some glue to attach the shapes to the cardboard. But here I've used the foam shapes that is available in the market. So let's start attaching the shapes. I have picked some different shapes and I'm going to place them on the cardboard, filling in a 3x3 grid. You can glue them in any order, and I'm going to create 2 different bead chain patterns. Once the patterns are ready, we can get started. We will place the bead chain in front of the grid and the child will need to follow the pattern, placing the beads along the shapes in the same order. The goal for them is to match the bead color with the shape it corresponds to in the pattern. This activity is amazing because it does so much for your child's development. It's really helping with the pattern recognition, fine motor skills, and it encourages problem solving. Another great benefit is that it's a flexible activity. For an added challenge, you can make a reverse pattern where the beads are already on the chain and kids need to figure out which pattern corresponds to the beads. So next we are going to create an exciting direction coding game using simple materials like popsicle stick and pom-poms, and you can use a piece of cardboard or thick paper, glue or tape to secure everything. Kids will need to look at the popsicle stick pattern and then pick up the pom-pom and place it in the correct direction following the pattern that's shown. The child has to decode the pattern and follow the directions as they go, moving the pom-pom up and down. It's a fantastic way to teach kids about directional concept and how to follow patterns. This activity is awesome for building essential skills in young children. Let's talk about the benefits. It's a great introduction to directional coding, pattern recognition. It also helps with fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. This activity also encourages focus and concentration. You can also mix up the materials. Instead of pom-poms, use buttons or small toys to add variety, or try different shapes of popsicle sticks to make the activity even more engaging. Next, we are going to create a DIY ball movement game just by using a small ball, tissue roll, paper and a box. Let's start by taking a box or board and laying it flat. Next, grab your tissue rolls and fix them securely to the box. Make sure the rolls are spaced out enough for the ball to roll freely between them. The goal of this activity is for kids to tilt and move the box to guide the ball into each tissue roll. They'll start by aiming for the first roll, then move the ball to the second, and finally into the third. It's all about control and precision. This game is both challenging and fun as kids will need to adjust the angles and movements of the box carefully to ensure the ball goes exactly where they want it to. Plus, they love the sense of achievement when they manage to get the ball into each roll. This activity is packed with many benefits like hand-eye coordination, fine motor control, focus and concentration, and problem-solving skills, and also gross motor coordination. To keep the game exciting, you can add a timer and see how quickly your child can get the ball into all the 3 rolls, or for an extra challenge, increase the number of tissue rolls or place them in a more complex arrangement. You can also use different sized ball to change the difficulty level. Another idea is to decorate the tissue roll and box with your child's favorite colors, stickers or drawings. It adds a personal touch and makes the game even more fun. Wow, that brings us the end of today's video. We have explored 6 amazing and creative activities that are perfect for keeping your little ones engaged, learning and having fun. I would love to know which activity your kids enjoyed the most. Let me know in the comments below, and if you tried any of these, share your experience. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with other parents. And hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon so that you never miss out on more fun and educational activities. Follow me on Instagram for more tips and activities, and thank you for watching.